Omukoro gw'okushoza abashaho gukorerwa ha Ruhenzere Field Station mu district ya KIRUHURA aho bahereza esande 3 barikutendekwa.
This is the first group that is as big as you have seen. We have been having about 40 people per cohort. But like I'm saying that I'm extremely happy that we have hosted a big group and we have managed to end the training.
Abaana bakweza kushora ka AI technicians baza mu community batuyamba bayamba ba farmers kwemesa entezo abarisa abine those small hold farmers abine amatungo make batakubasa kureberera numi abo bantu babayamba umukwemesa.
Abatendechere Barzurum districts makumyabiro kwetorera ihanga.
Now what I really want to do is to thank the World Bank for giving us an opportunity to train these AI technicians. We've been having challenges of getting money to train, and I really have to thank my colleagues, Greek, people here on the farm.
The certificates you receive, or you are going to receive today, symbolize competence, responsibility, and trust. Hopefully, you are going to carry these three with you as you receive those certificates.
Dan Mukago orumukuru wa district ya KIRUHURA wananwaje itsiro mzenyu mukuru minister w'ibyamatungo Lieutenant Colonel Bright Ramirama.
The Development Authority and the NAGRIC and DB is committed to supporting you in collaboration with the partners. The government will continue training more AI technicians and providing liquid nitrogen plus semen like the coordinator has mentioned.
Abashahaba batendechere hansi ya project ya Uganda Climate Smart Agriculture Project yatandikireho Gavumenti erukoresa obwezi kurgomo World Bank obunekigendera ekyokutunguura omutindo gw'amatungo omwihanga. Project egi neija kutendeka abashaho b'amatungo 288 abarateebwe amagombora. Gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo.